day. Today for trip to Busan waterfall.
My name is Parishat. I am your guide for today.
Busan waterfall is actually part of Busan National Park. Many people think of fitness and food, but today we will take a trip to the waterfall that is suitable for swimming in winter mode. This water is not cool water, but there is warm water found. But there is warm water flowing still. It is a warm water of Busan waterfall. Busan waterfall is located in Busan National Park of Payao. Busan waterfall is only warm water in China. Temperature up to 35. This waterfall is 25 meters in height and has water throughout the year. The waterfall there are tail upstream and rainfalls. The depth is 996 meters. And in the study of nature, we will find a warm water well. It is a natural hot spring and a show of Busan waterfall. Warm water spring up from the underground.
This winter, do not forget to visit the hot water at Busan. In addition to being warm, the atmosphere and nature will surely impact you. And hope that this trip will make you happy. Thank you. Bye.